Hey Marlena, this is a much more reasonable question along the same lines as the one that you sent me. So here we have a system of equations, and the SAT is saying that it has no solutions, and it's asking us what's the value of k. Well, we have to think about the three possibilities with linear systems of equations. One is that there is a solution, and the solution is this point of intersection, and it happens because the slopes of the two equations aren't the same. We have another possibility, which is that the lines are parallel. There's no point of intersection. There are no solutions. And that happens because the slopes are the same. And we have a third possibility, which is that the lines are what's called coincidental, and there's an infinite number of solutions, and that's because the lines are basically the same. One might be a multiple of the other. In other words, you might have one line that's y equals 2x plus 3, and another line that's 2y equals 4x plus 6. But they're the same. And we would, they'd be the same line. All right, so here, this is the thing we're looking for. Where do we get no solutions? We get no solutions when the slopes are the same. So let's go ahead and find the slopes of the first line, which we can identify exactly, and then we'll find the slope of the second line that's going to have k in it. The slope of the first line, and I'm going to just do this, you can do this as well, but I'm going to get y by itself, and I'm going to find out that y equals, this is from the top equation, 2x plus 3y equals 8. And if I move stuff around, I'm going to get y equals negative 2x over 3 plus, well, it's going to be minus, doesn't matter, minus 8 over 3. The important thing is this. The slope of that first line is going to be, the top line is going to be negative 2/3. And then I'm going to get y by itself in the second equation. And I'm going to get y equals positive 3 over k plus, well, it's minus, minus 7 over 3. And the only thing that we care about really here is that these slopes are the same. And so I'm just going to go to the equation that sets that out, that I want negative 2/3, the slope of the first line, to be equal to 3 over k. Excuse me. And that's going to get me, if you do the math on that, and your math is good enough to do this, I can cross multiply, and ultimately I'll get k equals 9 over negative 2 equals negative 9 halves, or negative 4.5. And the SAT is perfectly capable of making you find the slope of a line being a nasty number like negative 4.5 or negative 9.9 over 2. But in any case, all we did there was we said we have to make the slopes equal, and we solved the two equations for y, which let us put them in y equals mx plus b form, and then we said this slope has to equal this slope. And that's that, Marlena. So hopefully that helps you understand that type of problem. This is more indicative of what the SAT is going to give you than the insanity of the problem that Khan Academy gave you. Okay, thanks.